plasterboard fixing, wall anchor, has failed. It's come out of the wall, maybe a toilet roll holder or a radiator or whatever. It's actually a very lightweight fixing. It comes out of the wall, it's destroyed the whole thread in the plasterboard. And basically, what are you going to do to get a new fixing in there and repair that wall anchor? So this is how we're going to fix a failed wall anchor that's come out and left a dirty big hole. So the first thing I need to do is I need to make a jig to hold to guide the drill. And so I've just got a scrap piece of wood and I've used a Bullfix spade bit to drill that hole. And we're now going to place that piece of wood over the hole and hold it tight to act as a guide for the drill. So now, having drilled the hole, I can now put my Bullfix collar in, tap that, take my Bullfix universal fixing, put it like a fish, put the tail of the fish in, allow it to open its wings up and then tap it home. Then you take your appliance that you want to put onto the Bullfix fixing, you insert the screw into the appliance, take it on there and put it in. And there you have a repaired hole using a fixing which is far superior, far stronger and won't fail again.